Good morning. This is Mrs. Elmer. I'm going to give you a few review problems to do. And just to remind you what we left off with, we were in Chapter 4. We were writing equations in slope-intercept form, which you remember y equals mx plus b. Now remember that m is the slope, and we can think of slope in three different ways. We can think of slope as rise over run, so count up or count down, and run would be counting to the left or to the right. Or we could think of slope as the change in the y over the change in the x, or by the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our equation is y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, and b is the y-intercept. And here's a picture. So we've got this line here that goes to the point 1, 2, and the point 3, negative 2. We can count down 4. So our rise is actually a rise of negative 4. And our run is a run of positive 2. If we use our equation, we have our y2 minus our y1 and our x2 minus our x1. We get negative 4 over 2, which is what we got when we did rise over run, which simplifies to negative 2. So here's an example. Here's your first example. Write an equation of each line with the given slope and y-intercept. So we start with y equals mx plus b. And you notice m and b are in colors because we need to replace those. We're going to substitute the negative 3 for m and the 1/2 for b, and we're done. Same for part b here. Our slope is 0. Our y-intercept is negative 2. So we start with y equals mx plus b. We substitute 0 for m and negative 2 for b. And since 0 times x is 0, and 0 plus a negative 2 is negative 2, our line is y equals negative 2.